I know I would get a lot of dislikes on this video, but Workhorse is not worth anything to its exercise. It's like going in Amazon and shopping, and you found this $1,000 thing that you're really excited about, and you want it so much, and you have it in your cart. That is not worth anything to you until you exercise it and actually pay the money for it. It's not anything. You don't have the Alexa Dot you want to order, or the iPad you want to buy, or all these clothes you're buying. It's only in the cart. It's only like a catalyst. Is a potential buy. You're going to potentially get what you want. Workhorse, you potentially will get what you want. Now, it's very likely that they will get the contract. I've made lots of videos on my bullish thesis on this company, but it's not worth anything until all is said and done. Now, there's a lot of bullish aspects of this company that you love, but guys, I got to tell you, any EV company that you invest in, I don't think it's good to invest in it short term or mid term. The only way I'll invest in an EV company is to invest long term. I feel all these EV companies, if you're buying into it, only buy for the long term and don't buy any call or put options on it. Because why? Well, this company, Workhorse, just this specifically, this company just reminds me a lot of Volkswagen. So you remember the time when it was really hyped up? It had a lot of different things going for them, and it went up all the way to almost, I think, like $60, and then it dropped down low fiercely to right around $20, and now it's still not even at $20. It had a little bit of growth, but it just reminds me of Volkswagen so much, and it reminds me of a lot of other companies that see the same thing happening. And also, if you look at some solar companies, so let's say VSLR, this solar company, Vivid Solar, it went up massively in this year. But anyways, if we look back in 2014 to around 2015, when all the hype was around solar energy companies, they were doing really good. When this company didn't do that good, but there was other companies in the solar energy that were doing really good. It was just being stable, and then it dropped massively, and it didn't really make any growth except for 2019 to 2020, but it really didn't make any growth for a good amount of time, years. So that is why you shouldn't invest in these companies if you're investing long term. That is also why the USPS contract is worth $0 until it's all said and done. Until it's exercised, it is worth nothing, and therefore all this priced in growth is not good. And I said it will be about at $23. Now I'm not saying that I don't think it can go up, because I do believe it can go back up to at least 30 or 50 or $60. But just because I think that will happen doesn't mean to buy it. I will buy it most likely after, if it goes up massively and then it drops down like to maybe $10 or $20. I mean, not $10 or $20, but $10 to $15. That's when I'll buy it. I take it back, not $23. I've just been really studying the past of a lot of different companies and a lot of different things when they were hyped up, and I've seen a lot, and so I changed my mind. Sorry for making millions of videos on Workhorse this week, but you just gotta see this because the Workhorse contract is worth nothing until it's all said and done. Now I do think they will get it, and I do think this stock could potentially soar. That doesn't mean I will invest in it. Plus, my portfolio is already too much in EV companies. I do believe in the mission, I do believe in the fundamentals, but I don't believe in the hype. I want all that good things that I see about this company, all the good things going for it, at either a discount or just a little bit of an overpriced price. So I really don't see this. If this was the first company, I mean, not the first company, but if we didn't have Tesla and seeing the growth of that company, or if the popular stocks for this year were just, say, cannabis corporation stocks, things like that, then this company wouldn't be priced in that much growth. People wouldn't really be looking into it. It'd probably be trading around $10 or like $15. And that's what I don't like, all the priced in growth. And when I looked at the analysts and what they think about it, well, they really do love it. It's a strong buy. And I also don't like that, because when people are greedy, be fearful, and people are really greedy of these EV companies. Because if we look right here, now we know that this was part of a broader sale, but I just feel like there's just some random times, like right there, when it just goes down for no reason. It's like the not institutional, but the institutional investors really want it at a cheaper price than just people in general. Those massive sell offs are not just from regular people; they're from institutional people. And we also do see that ARK Invest is a huge candidate for this company. They've been buying so many shares. ARK Invest has just so many shares of this company, and if they would sell it all, this stock would tank a little bit a good bit, at least 10%, maybe 20%, especially if news came out and you saw and a lot of people realized that ARK Invest sold their shares. And that means that based upon another investor's decision, that can also that can determine this price and can make it go up or down massively. So I really don't like that. I'm also the stock's price is dependent on all these institutional investors. So that's a lot of bearish points to say about Workhorse. And that's all I want to say bearish because I just see so many good things long term. Now it's a great stock to buy and hold for more than 5 years. But I really don't see it being the best growth stock in say the next 3 years. It's not going to be the best growth stock. Just like Tesla, is just too much priced in growth and things like that. Now it's really cool what they have going for them, but it's not going yet. Nothing has really been said and done. Nothing. Well, they have potentially getting the contract, but it's not clarified. It's just too much speculation.